I don't know how you would do that.
What's going on?
I'm just walking out. I'm being discharged. I'm trying to leave the hospital.
That's fine.
Okay.
Are you recording us?
No, I'm not. I'm trying to delete the video that I took earlier.
Okay.
Okay. May I go?
What's up, man? Are you checking it?
Yeah, I need to check it out.
Okay. Thank you.
Can I see that you deleted the video?
I don't know how I would do that.
So, sir, if you
Okay.
delete the video, I'm gonna probably have to call the police.
I don't. I.
Is there a reason why we were filming? Like, I don't know what.
I'm not filming. I'm not doing anything. I was making a phone. I was calling my wife to tell her to come and get me. That's all.
On the camera.
Yeah, it is a camera. I'm getting it.
Okay. Thank you. HIPAA violation.